Hi everyone, this is Miss Rapp, and today we are doing Unit 4, Lesson 3, Graphing Linear Systems of Equations. This is going to hit two topics, Standard 9.1, I can identify and verify a solution for a system of equations, and Topic 2, I can solve a system of linear equations graphically. So pause the video, get what you need, and let's get started. I have a ruler and a pencil today. Okay, so it says, if you graph two lines, what could the graphs look like? So let's just think about our options. So here's our graph. So I could graph two lines and they could never cross, no solution. I can graph two lines and they can cross once. That would be one solution. I can also graph a line and then graph another line on top of it, which is infinite solutions. So that's a review. And remember, we're talking about lines. A line can only cross once, never, or all the time. So for problems 1 through 4, it says, what is the solution to each graph? Well, the solution is where they cross. So this solution is 1, 1. This solution is -4, 1, 2, 3, -4, 3. This is no solution, they never cross. And the fourth example looks like infinite solutions. Okay, pause here, rewind if you need anything, let's move on. Okay, so we are going to graph both of these equations. So I'll use two colors. So I'll do this one in blue or navy and this one in purple. So y equals -x plus 6. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my slope is -1, so down 1 over 1. Negative slope all the way down. There's one line. So this is good because it reviews graphing. And then we have 3, 3 as the point, and my slope is 1/3. So there's where they cross, and I'm going to go up 1 over 1, 2, 3, and I'll go backwards. So my solution is, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3 is solution. Okay, this is a great place to pause. I'll go over what I just did. So I graphed both lines, and the instruction said solve the system by graphing. So that means that there's going to be an answer where they cross, and that's the answer. So y equals -x plus 6. I started at 6 on my y-intercept, and I went down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Then my second graph was given to me in point slope. When I extracted the point, I got 3, 3, because you do the opposite here, and my slope was 1/3. So I went to 3, 3, up 1 over 3. I noticed that both lines crossed at 3, 3, so that's going to be the solution. Okay, pause the video here. Let's try number 6. Okay. Oh, there's a little typo here. This should just be 3x plus 2. So y equals 3x plus 2 I'll do in my navy, and I'll do this in my purple. So my first point is at 0, 2, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. And there is my navy line. Okay, so this is reviewing what we learned in lesson 2. So this is in standard form. So I had to find my x-intercept and my y-intercept. So if my x-intercept, I'm going to make y equals 0. This is review from our last lesson, our last video. If you are confused on graphing this, please go back to the last video. So that's going to be negative 4x equals negative 4. Divide by negative 4 on both sides. X equals positive 1. So that point goes right here. And then the y-intercept, I'll make x equals 0, which is going to be negative 2y equals negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 2, y equals positive 2, which is right here. So the y-intercept of my original and the y-intercept of my second equation are the same. So my answer for this one is, what is that, 0, 2. So that is what we are doing today, you guys. We are just graphing and saying what the answer is. So this is a graphing practice and a systems practice. That is it for the video. If you have any questions, please write them on the video check-in form. Now, after you're done watching the video, go watch the video check-in form. We'll do the rest of the problems in class. Bye.